Good morning, students. 5 questions of exercise 3.4 we have done. Today we have to start from question number 6. Question number 6 is the area of triangle is given by square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Okay, here s minus c will come by a mistake, printing mistake is there. This formula will come in 9th class, which is known as Heron's formula. But here this formula is given to you and direct values are given that we have to put, like you can see, a is equal to 15 centimeter, b 8 centimeter, c 17 centimeter and s 20 centimeter. All the values are given which we have to use in the formula. Okay, so just what we have to do to find the area, like you can see it is given, find the area of the triangle. So to find the area of triangle, just we have to put all the values and then we have to solve. See, here I have done values we have to put. S value is 20 given, then A is 15. So here you can see values I have put. Then 20 will, as it is, 20 minus 15 5 हो गया, 20 minus 8 12, 20 minus 17 3. Okay, so now two methods are there, like 20 multiply 5 multiply 12 multiply 3 is there with us. So one is what we can do, we can find the product of all these numbers and then we can find the square root. Okay, but if you remember, then what is the method of finding square root? And any number is given to us, so how we will find the square root? Most preferably we are choosing which one method? Prime factorization method. Then why we are multiplying these all the digits? Firstly, only what we can do, we can find the prime factors, which will be easy, na? Like 20 prime factors verbally only we can tell, 2 into 2 4 हो गया, 2 into 2 into 5 will be factors of 20, 5 as it is आ गया. Same 12 factors we can tell, 2 into 2 into 3 and then 3. Next method, you know, pairs we have to make, like you can see I have made. From each pair one digit you will take and multiply कर दोगे, that will be your answer. Clear? So in this way question number 6 we have to do. 7 is area of square field is given to us. Find the cost of leveling the entire ground at the rate of 17 rupees per square meter. So this sum is not based on this topic, but somehow it is given here, so we have to do only multiplication we have to do. Like you can see area of field given and cost of leveling we have to tell when it is given rate of leveling is 17 rupees per square meter. So just what we have to do, multiply karna. Like you can see, in this way we will write area of square field, this rate of leveling 17 rupees per meter square hai. So what will be cost? Just product you have to find. ठीक है, बस, not more than that. 7th question हो गया. Next is a rectangular piece of land having length 18 meter has an area 440 meter square. Can it be used to make a square swimming pool having length 21 meter? So in this sum also nothing we need to do, only common sense is required. मतलब एक rectangular piece of land है whose length is 18, area given है, breadth also we can find, but breadth की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Like how it is not required? Because देखो पूछा क्या है कि can it be used to make a square swimming pool having length 21? They want to make a square swimming pool of side 21 meter, and what we know about square, that square all sides are equal. ठीक है, square all sides are equal. Rectangular piece of land length is only 18 meter, so how we can make a swimming pool whose length is 21 meter in it? Breadth, that case is separate. When length is more than the piece of land, so how swimming pool of length 21 meter can be made in the rectangular piece of land? Clear? So just you have to explain it and you have to write, no, it is not possible to make a square swimming pool having length 21 meter in a piece of land whose length is 18 meter only. Okay. 9th, area of square field given है. If a man runs around the field 3 times, what will be the distance covered by him? Very good question it is. Area of square field given है. Man runs around the field 3 times. Field के around 3 times he has run. So 3 है या 4 times है, that is a different thing. Firstly we have to see what is the meaning of one round. I have told you, when we cover the boundary of a figure one time, that is known as a perimeter of that figure. ठीक है, तो in one round how much distance man has covered, that will be equal to perimeter. And what is the perimeter of square? What is the formula of perimeter of square? 4 into side. ठीक है, तो it means for finding perimeter we need side, because 4 into side is the formula, but side is not given to us, area is given to us. ठीक है, तो it means from area firstly we will find out side, then with the help of side we will find perimeter, and perimeter means distance covered by the man in one round, and then as it is given कि he has taken 3 round, so we will multiply by 3. Clear? So see, here I have done calculation, you will do, but method I have explained here. Area of square field given है, we know area of square field is side square, formula पता है ना area of square का, side multi side, that is side square. So side how we can find? Square root of 34.225, जो area given है side आ गया square root of it. Now square root you know, decimal number square root how we have to find, that you can find easily. Side आ जाएगी, side आ गई, then perimeter we can find, tell perimeter formula 4 into side है, मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे 4 से, perimeter आ गया. ठीक है, and perimeter means distance traveled by the man in one round. Now 3 round, number of rounds are 3, so multiply by 3 कर दोगे, then we can tell total distance covered by the man. Clear? Last question है, students of grade 8 of a school donated 4,761 rupees for chief minister's relief fund. Each student donated as many rupees as the number of the students of the class. Find the number of students in the class. तो देखो very good and important question it is कि grade 8 of a school has donated some amount in the chief minister relief fund, and देखो in this question, in this sentence only full question is based. Each student has donated as many rupees as number of students in the class. What is the meaning? कि हर स्टूडेंट ने कितने पैसे डोनेट किए हैं जितने स्टूडेंट्स क्लास के अंदर है. लाइक इन योर क्लास 8 अबाउट 40 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, सपोज 40 स्टूडेंट्स है टोटल, तो इट मीन्स हाउ ईच स्टूडेंट हैज ऑल्सो गिवन 40 रुपीज. ठीक है, 40 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन द क्लास, सो ईच स्टूडेंट हैज डोनेटेड 40 रुपीज. तो टोटल अमाउंट कितनी कलेक्ट हो जाएगी? हाउ मच अमाउंट विल बी कलेक्टेड? 40 into 40. एक बच्चे से 40 लिए, टोटल 40 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर, तो टोटल अमाउंट कलेक्टेड 40 into 40. ठीक है, दैट इज 40 का स्क्वायर. तो सेम थिंग हियर वी हैव टू डू, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर आई डन. वी विल लेट नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास आर x, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हाउ मेनी आर इन द क्लास. वी विल लेट नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन द क्लास आर x. तो इट मीन्स मनी डोनेटेड बाई स्टूडेंट, दैट विल बी ऑल्सो रुपीज x. That is given in the question कि money donated by each student was same as the number of students in the class. So money donated, that is also rupees x. So total money how much will be collected? Like in example I have taken 40 into 40, here x into x, and x into x, x square हो गया. ठीक है, but according to the question total money collected that was the given to us. ये तो हमने अपनी x की फॉर्म में we have found it, but it was given to us 4,761. मीन्स एक्स स्क्वेयर की वैल्यू आ गई 4,761. सो एक्स वैल्यू विल बी स्क्वेयर रूट ऑफ 4,761. एंड स्क्वेयर रूट हाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड, दैट यू नो वेरी वेल, दैट यू कैन फाइंड स्क्वेयर रूट. ठीक है, बाय एनी मेथड, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड, डिवीजन मेथड, विच मेथड इज सुटेबल, विच मेथड you think it is easy, that you can do. Clear beta? So in this way today you have to complete this exercise, and chapter will be also completed. To complete this in your notebook, if there is any problem then ask me, and then we will start a new topic. Thank you.